Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn animating content using jQuery. How we are going to preparing some animations in HTML form. Very simple example I'm going to explain you. For this, I'm taking one button to start the animation. If I click that button, then only the animation will start. And for one paragraph to default paragraph to be displayed and one div tag to be the box to be animate. Let's start the session. I'm taking these three things to our real-time code. See, the code body section have added a button and the default text element and div tag with the background colors and the animated content box. Now let's see here. These all are applied CSS, inline CSS. Let's for the presentation purpose we have displayed all these things. The default HTML elements have a static scenario and it won't be moved. To manipulate position, remember to first set the CSS position property of the element to relative, fixed or absolute. Now this is the box we have prepared for these things, position, absolute, and like a style background we have applied for green, height and width we have taken. Now let's see by calling this button in our jQuery how it is going to be animated. Now let's see here. This is the where I have taken simply very simple example. Here, like animation, we'll go and we'll try to write the links of all. As you seen that, like uh, as you seen that how to get ready with the jQuery ready function with the form of HTML in our previous lectures. As well, you see, by the declaration of this line with the open tag and end tag to be document to be ready to call JavaScript library, like jQuery library. All right. And for the button we have implemented here to be on click of the button functionality, it would be called. This is the open and end. Why? This is the button may have to control different type of activities with the different type of IDs. So I have to write what are the tags, what are the elements to be perform an action for this button. We have to be integrate within the button itself. So the button is initiated here till the end is here. In between, I'm going to writing some code of our jQuery. Now see here, save this. This is the div I have implemented here. See this one box I have shown here, this box to be animated. So let's start with the code. Yeah, div of yeah, div dot animate. There is a method called animate. Okay, and by so-called before we are calling div to here first. What I'm doing, defining where div equal to dollar and the functionality we are implementing for tag with the end with this thing. Now div dot animate and open and end braces within the floor bracket GIGHT height of like a something 300 px. One line I'll copy, take a typing for you convenient to understand how to write code. Rest of the things opacity and all the lines you will get it from the web. You got to remember much more things, but you want to know how to use it. That's it. Like slow, fast, many properties are available. Okay, with terminate. That's it. Now the second thing, I can take the same line copy more such type of animations and all, you need to know how to copy and paste. One more line, like delete. Yes, these 4 lines I have taken. So height, first one is height. Second one is width. Width, it is 300 px. Opacity is 0.8. Slow. And third one, height again, and 100 px only. Yes, and the opacity is 0.4 and slow. And the last one, it's a width again. IDTH weight again, it is in 100 only. So we'll go with opacity 0.8 again. So that's all. Our thing, what we require for animation is over. Now just see, save this and make it as a run. Refresh, refresh, click the button. Wow, wow, the animation is ready. Have you seen? If you click this, it making like a expanding height, then it expanding width. See here once again, click. Let's keep on like making animation automatically itself. If you click this action, it will be done. If you click this action, it will be done. So I want to change my color of from green to like somewhere around. I'll take orange. Orange. See, load. See here now. Wow, such a beautiful and a beautification of an animation you can avail from jQuery by writing a simple lines. All right, these are the parameters you are like sending. And also you can change the sizes and opacity and slow or fast and all the things. You can add more add-ons there. Then you will have more functionality of this animation. I hope you are very great to understand about the animating, how to animate like some box or div tag or any activity. In this lecture we have used div other than paragraph or image, anything you can use to animate. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.